Mr. Ammar Jafri is the former Additional Director General FIA and pioneering head of number of mega IT projects in FIA and other departments of Government of Pakistan. Is currently working as Director General of ICT in Center of Information Technology, having its headquarters in G91 Islamabad. Under the dynamic leadership of Mr. Ammar Jafri, CIT has introduced a number of mega ICT projects, starting from e-village in 2008, passing through projects of e-district projects like e-Khushab and e-Peshawar. Today exist in 30 plus districts of Pakistan through its partner organizations and now working in all parts of Pakistan under the initiative of e-Pakistan Vision 2025. The only aim of Mr. Jafri is to spread awareness about information and communication technologies and introduce its usage in every walk of life, especially in education, health, agriculture and governance. To implement these initiatives, CIT has signed number of MOUs, joint ventures with government organizations, universities, NGOs and technology partners. The basic unit of implementation is e-district, where a District Technology Center, DTC, a partner organization of CIT, work to provide technical support to all projects and solutions related to e-Pakistan Vision 2025. The mission of e-Pakistan Vision 2025. To bring relevant stakeholders of Pakistan on one page for sustainable development to timely achieve SDGs for better governance through use for ICTs by national and international partnership, the local partners, federal and province governments, public and private universities, NGOs and CSOs, especially at grassroots level, technology partners and corporate sector, international partners, UNAPCICT, ITU, ICT for Girls, Telecenter.org, Asia Pacific Telecenter Network, ICTs for OIC, Organ for Islamic Countries, Google, Intel, Microsoft, ISOC, ISACA, and many more. A short pictorial journey of e-Pakistan Vision 2025. First exposure to village life 2009. First batch of women trained in ICT skills March 2009. Plan International joined the efforts of Women Entrepreneur 2011. NRSP joins the effort 2012. E-Village project gets Pasha Award 2013. MOUs with major community organizations, SAP Pakistan. Signing MOUs with public and private sector universities. Working with the local governments, DCO Multan. In 2013, we learn from experts. In 2014, ICTs for Girls Day. Center for Women Entrepreneur CWE is our partner organization. Training of our local partners with the support of our foreign partners. After Wi-Fi training in December 2015 by UNAPCICT team. When we all thought about e-Pakistan Vision 2025, 10th December 2014. Launch e-Pakistan Vision 2025 on 14th December 2015. E-Skills Strategy Diagram. Through special interest group of our partner organizations, e-Agriculture, e-Health, e-Education, e-Women, e-SMS, e-NGO, e-DM and CC, e-Governance, ePWD, eScouts, eArn, ePakistani and eSkills. Now we talk about Seva. In Pakistan, large number of women are engaged in home-based industries. They are producing excellent products which can be sold in international markets. Some of them are also supporting the big industries of their areas by providing semi-final products to these industries to make final products. Considering all above, PID, a subsidiary of Center of Information Technology, have decided to establish an organization named Self-Employed Women Association called Seva, with the aim of to fill all above gaps by organizing home-based women workers at the district level in Pakistan through our own international partners organizations. How to become a member of Seva? Write a simple message on your phone. Write SEWA, space your name, space your district. Send it to our short IVR code 4471. Shortly you would receive welcome message from Seva and you are registered. About eSkills project. To achieve all above objectives, we have designed a project called eSkills, which is the first effort in Pakistan to complete the ecosystem which is very much needed for a developing country like Pakistan. Our main focus in eSkills project is on following activities: training of women in vocational skills, computer skills, social media marketing skills and soft skills which are required for them to run their own business, establishing their linkages with other social entrepreneurs, having latest internet marketing and computer knowledge, and make their teams at local level to work together. Linkages with the production markets of their raw material, as these are stretched over entire Pakistan. To organize local production hubs, as for example in Gilgit-Baltistan and in Azad Kashmir. There is no central mechanism in the system for a central portal website which could display all the required information. To complete the ecosystem like linkages with the microfinancing organizations like First Women Bank, their linkages with capacity building organizations like TIFTA, NAVTEC and BISP. Linkages with the national and international markets for a demand-driving production system. Last we talk about our project eShop. So what is eShop? Like you have your physical shop where you pay rent, pay bills, pay to your staff and has to maintain a costly inventory to showcase it to attract your customers. All this costs you a lot on regular basis. We are offering you a virtual shop in cyberspace, internet, where you have all above like your physical shop. But now thousands of customers can visit your shop, buy your products online, but you have to spend very less as compared to your physical shop. How does eShop work? You would approach eShop management team in your area through our district technology center, and we would associate an account manager who would make you as your merchant and let you pass through a documentation process, and after that you would own your own eShop. Once you have your own eShop, your account manager would train you to make your eShop attractive for customers so that they can buy your products online and you would get your payments through smoothly. How does you would work as merchant? Your account manager would providing you a merchant portal which you would access only through a user account and password, with full control over everything: images, description options, pricing, shipping and many more. Merchants have an order management panel that allows them to view and fulfill their own orders. Merchants can upload and change their products directly. Merchants would receive direct emails from their customers once some sale is made. Customizable merchant portal. Customers would design their own eShop. Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal said, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है. Make yourself so strong and fit that before writing your destiny, God Himself asks you, tell me, what is your opinion on this? Thanks for your precious time.